Think about what you want in your most valuable employee. Work 24/7? Check. Pulling all-nighters is what I was built for. Exhibit excellence? No problem. I work until it's done right. Create perfection? You bet. I deliver perfect accuracy around the clock. That's why I'm the best at a job that demands perfection every time. How do I do that? Every move I make is calculated, exact, measured, drop by drop, layer by layer. I produce the most accurate, precise, high-resolution patterns ready to go straight to investment casting. You're free to design anything you want: curves, sharp edges, overhangs, undercuts, channels, cavities, you name it. Drop by drop, layer by layer. Others call me complex, precise, smooth, accurate, reliable. But you can call me your most valuable employee. I'm the Solidscape High Precision 3D printer.